What is up, guys? Another fresh day in Dublin. -6 today when I woke up this morning. She's currently -2. We are heading to TJ. Our Matt needs to get some wood to finish off the little shed that I'm building out the back garden, and then during the week, hopefully, if it's not frozen over again, we're going to get a start on this garage. People just pulling out in front of me. So yeah, I'm gonna go off the phone. I'm just stuck in a bit of traffic, so it's the only reason I'm on it. So yeah, update you when I get back. Hopefully I can get some done with the shed because it's Baltic out. Frozen windscreens everywhere. Now that's all my supplies loaded up, ready to rock and roll. Just gonna drop this van back now and go for a coffee. Back to construction mode, just getting all this done. I have a few more of these braces to go in. Then I'm gonna tarp the whole thing and put my sheets of wood down on top. Then silicone all these holes up with roof sealant, and then job's a good one. Sockets and then lights. So it's the next day and it's a beautiful day out. Obviously it's not snowing or icy out, so just getting the Mini prepped. We're going to head off to the engine block, but there is something nice in the car there that I picked up yesterday. Lancia parts, but Fiat parts. Now we shall have a look at these later on. For now, I'm going to get the Mini ready and we're going to head out to Blanche to the engine block. Very windy, very rainy, but it's Steve-O Supra, the dream car. Right, yo guys, that was just a quick visit to the engine block. As you can see, we're going to head off now and have a look at what I got in the box for the Fiat. So that's it, guys, back home with the Mini. I swear to Christ, it'll never let me down. If you ever want to have fun in a car, buy a Mini and put a Honda engine in it. You'll never look back. Trust me, it's an amazing little car. It drives awesome. Now, torque there is like a bitch because I haven't had it set up yet, so that's all down to my fault, right? So anyhow, we're home. Let's have a look at what's in these boxes. Fiat Lancia. So rally parts, that's all you have to say about it. So the boxes are new old stock, so the guy has them a few years, never been opened. As you can see, they're still in the boxes. The boxes are ripped. I do want to kind of keep the boxes intact, so I'm just going to open this box now and show you what's inside. Now, box is open. Turn the box up. Yeah, get out. Yeah, buddy. Brand new shocks, and then we've partnered up with MCG, so MCG are sending me a load of stuff for the Fiat, including lowering springs, and then all I have to do is order new tops for these. So we're laughing, guys, laughing. I have a full bush kit coming for the car as well. I need 2 new rear tyres, so I'm gonna have to go get new tyres because the valves burst on them and now it's flat a while, so I need to get that sorted. But now the Fiat can go up on axle stands and we can get these in, new tops, lowering springs, and loads of other extras. So yeah, the build is coming along. I can't wait. But unfortunately the weather has been absolutely shit. I've been spending my whole week off this week building that shed out the back. It has electricity in it now, it has lights in it and a full floor, so the wife should be happy. I can get all the shit from the house out into that shed with me tools and stuff, so I know where to go and where to get them. I bought 3 of these. Yeah, I know it's upside down, but flip the camera and there we go. I'm at getting 3 of these. They're nice, big and heavy for out in the new shed, for everything that shouldn't be in the house that is in the house right at the moment, because The shed that I knocked down is now a new metal shed with a floor, no leaks, all is good. So now all the shit that I have stored in the house, all my car parts, my tents, my merch, t-shirts, all that stuff, 3D printer, computer, printers, absolute lot needs to go back out the back garden into that shed, including this thing. Oh my god, if I trip over it one more time, you can see all my tools ready to rock and roll. If I trip over that thing one more time, bruised shins from it, I swear. So yeah, everything is coming together. Once all of that is done, the garage is gonna start getting done. For now, it's gonna be peace out, collect children, daddy time, it's the weekend. So yeah, let's go.